It's gonna be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild and paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
呢條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
我覺得你搞錯咗啊！
You kidding me?
你死硬啦！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街死撚緊啊！我呢個實硬你㗎！打個頭啦！打到佢仆街！我哋可以打贏㗎！你打我啊
Come on.
揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！我呢個食撚硬你㗎！頂佢啦垃圾桶！你咁樣打我啊
Fuck you.
打撚爆你頭！
Are you done? I'm still here. Come and get me.
你話你死打死佢！
What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei is old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Oh, prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wade just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 ？Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker. Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel us? Or just crazy?
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
You like that?
Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fall at the first punch.
How about that?
See that? Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him. What do you guys think? Sucks, right?
That all you got?
You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real. I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it. Wipe that smile off your face.
You gonna back down? Come on, fight back. Why did you get out of here? Huh? You like that?
Hello, boys.
Holy shit.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, Dog Eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Hong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
This way. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls from Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. So what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, Wei, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, Dog Eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he is. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, when she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No? You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Super team!
Hey, you want food?
You want DVDs? Every DVD you want right here! Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. You work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. Need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, CDs! All the best CDs! No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off.
賣你㗎，喺度買唔到㗎。多謝老闆。全港送㗎，要買趁手。
At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
買一送第一啦，你錯過。
Hey, you want that little refreshment? I got
嚟
good
呢度買
ice cream
衫，
here.
巴黎克爾都變王子啊！
Hey, over
我呢
here.
度啲衫全部外地進口，質料上乘啊！嚟我度買衫，巴黎克爾變王子啊！買完就冇。
有新貨，快啲埋嚟睇下。
Hey, you wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Well, be a tough guy.
迷一絲啦，最後今天，聽日嚟都冇啊！
Do that. I will pay.
深圳嘅價錢，明白
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog Eye won't be happy.
點會諗到咁㗎？
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
Over here. I think this guy's with Dog Eyes.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass!
老母，你邊辦啊？你再嘈我打鳩死你啊！喐手啦，有姜啊！
This isn't good! What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk! Come on! Get back up!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there.
You look like you could use a pole.
Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
What?
Wait, come on. I got your back.
大佬，唔好殺我啊！你有冇攞籌啊？你快翻嚟！
We don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
死啊！乜鬼㗎？醫院留咗位未啊？有得出頭！有得靠有揾食啊！ 你冇㗎啦你！
Tell Dog Eyes this market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Hey, you! Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. You gotta know you're successful.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely. It's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is. People judge you by how you look.
你睇下啦，大嬸，好靚嘅啲菜。有新貨，快啲埋嚟睇下。
These are the latest. Perfect for you. Come again. Come again. Thanks. Come again. Only a crazy man would turn that down. Come again. Close here. Have a nice day.
Let's get back to Winston.
Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good ice
睇下啦，
cream.
大嬸，好靚嘅
You
啲
want
菜
ice。cream?
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do
Hey,
this.
Jackie!
You want to tell her what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie! You're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
嚟我度買衫，包你乞衣都變王子啊！送一前爽都有咁着數啊！開倉大減價，全場貨品低啲7折啊！
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard Dog Guys are sending reinforcements. They should probably be gone before they get here.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier.
You! Hey! You want food?
Right here for you. Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier.
Our best noodles for best rice this time. You come here.
Oh, hey. Is the new guy around?
Do you know who this way guy is? 殺死啦！我同我哋就好耐㗎啦。
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Theo! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Yo，唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食咪多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢㗎！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啊！
唔識尊重人，我從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁得我？鬼我你死啊！我哋冇時間俾你咁氣啊！Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier. Hey, sexy man, you want clothes? Why don't you let me dress you? Wow! Oh yeah! Hey, come on in. I got special deal for you. Right here, right here. Yeah! Sing it, sing it!
Hey, veggies! You want veggies?
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
You want good clothes for less? I got
Anything you need at the market.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
Out of my way!
係我知。
Coming through!
夠膽就翻轉頭隻抽！
Oh shit!
Guys, I need your help! 嚟啊！哎呀，點啊？瞄準啊！仲有得靠有揾食啊！Fucking bitch！ Do the deal! Kill him! 你當做返件好事，你放咗我啊！ It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong man! 有種你就咪撚死！ 哇！殺曬佢啊！死乜鬼！ 我等成個禮拜，就係等呢一嘢啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？ Kill him, please! 哇！ Whoa! 睇住你啊！ 夠膽過嚟 I'm gonna kill you！ 殺你個仆街！ Dog Eye's gonna kill you!
Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
睇人啊！快走啊！哎呦，留低！ Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yee. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yee.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.